The current trophy that will be used for 2022, known simply as the FIFA World Cup Trophy, is not actually the original award. It is the second version of the prize, having replaced the Jules Rimet Trophy ahead of the 1974 World Cup. That original version had been lifted by the winners ever since the opening tournament way back in 1930. It was first called Victory, but was later renamed after the founder of the World Cup and FIFA president, Frenchman Jules Rimet. In 1970, following Brazil's then record third tournament win which saw them claim the prize outright, the current version was commissioned. Since its debut in the first FIFA World Cup tournament, in 1930. There have been two iterations of the World Cup trophy. Both trophies were made with a combination of metals and rare stones. Until 1970, the Jules Rimet Trophy, designed by the French sculptor Abel Lafleur, glorified the winning team. A redesigned version of the trophy by Silvio Gazzaniga replaced the original in the 1974 FIFA World Cup tournament. World Cup trophy size. Following the decision to swap the Jules Rimet Trophy with a new piece of silverware in the mid-1970s, the design and dimensions of the trophy underwent a slight change to make it bigger, and some would say better. The original Jules Rimet Trophy stood at a height of 35 centimeters, 13.7 inches, with a diameter of 13 centimeters, 5.1 inches. Whereas the more modern version stacks up at a slightly taller 36.8 centimeters, 14.5 inches, while still being 13 centimeters, 5.1 inches, wide. In terms of design, the older version depicted Nike, the Greek goddess of victory, holding a basket above her head, whereas the current prize is a more streamlined profile that incorporates two human figures holding up the earth, to represent the global nature of the tournament. Weight of the World Cup trophy. Alongside a difference in its overall size and height, the modern FIFA World Cup trophy is also heavier than its predecessor was. It weighs in at 6.2 kilograms, 13.6 pounds. Compared to the 3.8 kilograms, 8.4 pounds, of the Jules Rimet version, although the weight of it has actually been the subject of debate since it was commissioned. As fans speculate whether it is solid or, as some have claimed, hollow. What is the World Cup trophy made of, and is it solid gold? The official line is that the World Cup trophy is solid, made up of 30,875 carats of 18-carat, 75%, gold with a band of malachite on its base. However, some commentators have questioned that, with a noted British chemistry professor asserting back in 2010 that cannot be the case, as if it was solid, the trophy would weigh, in his estimation, 70 to 80 kilograms, 155 to 175 pounds, and would be too heavy to lift. How much is the World Cup trophy worth? The new version of the World Cup is rated as the most expensive trophy in global sport, with estimates from USA Today in 2018 valuing it at $20 million, £17.7 million.